How to sum in Google Sheets. So to sum in Google Sheets, you can use the sum and range function for cells like A1 through A10, or just use the sum formula for different ranges. Let's say, for example, we have here a range of numbers from A1 to A7. So since we want to sum that, simply just type this on an empty cell. Copy this formula that I'm going to type. Simply just type equals sum, then put an open and close parenthesis, then simply just type the values of the range. Let's say, for example, A1, then you want to type a colon, then to A7. And then it will select that range as you can see. And then you just have to press enter. Now, as you can see, it added every single one from the range that I entered, which is A1 to A7. Now, you can also do this for multiple columns and multiple rows. Simply just go type sum, and then you want to type the range again inside the column and then inside the parentheses. So simply just type this. Then first we want to do is type like A1 colon A7. Then we want to put a comma. Then, as you can see right here, since this is C1, we copy that one and C1 and type colon until C7. And it will now select that. And you can now press enter. Now, once you press enter, it added the total amount from both these columns and rows. And basically, that's how you can use and sum in Google Sheets. If you want to learn more complicated ones, simply just use some different formulas. But overall, these are the most basic how to sum in Google Sheets. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.